What's up, guys? The weather's so-so today, so we're not gonna be riding even though I want to. Gonna work on the bus a little bit. I mean, it's decent, but that's just all bad. The weather comes from that direction normally, so you know. Got some cool accessories to add to the bus, and I think that's gonna be the mission for the day. I need to clean this place. It's driving me crazy, but yeah. So gonna throw some cup holders in because I'm forgetful. Co-hangers, and I'll be impressed if somebody can guess what these are. I'll show you at the end of the video.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Step one. So if any of you out there are into that Nintendo, man, hit me up. Let's play some. We got the Mario going on. Nintendo Switch. I'm always in. So if you're gonna be doing a bus build, I suggest you invest in a decent hole saw kit. I think I'm on set number 2 with this, and I still got a lot of holes to drill, but you know, whatever's the budget, make it work. I still do not like drilling holes in this bus. It's like, why build it if you're just gonna put holes in it? Kind of nerve-wracking every time. But if you're comfortable, you ain't growing. This saying that is always brought to my attention. Alright. Got the hole saw, we gotta send some of those in there, get those in there, and call it good. Didn't go as expected, but
I feel so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this. Tell me that I can't walk. That's what drives me the most. Do what I want.
so with these cup holders, the important thing, at least for my situation, is they don't have holes in the bottom. I got my electrical down there, and yeah, that'll be all that. Alright, so now we're going to be throwing
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this.
Bam. Now you can hang up. It's a super small closet, but it's better than nothing. Respect if you can guess what these are.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time. Focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time.
So the other day I flush mounted those. Got your readout, got your on and off for your inverter, got extra outlets. Never have enough outlets. Recap on what we did today. Got that cup holder, his and hers. You know, everybody's got to have the "you look ugly today" green suit in your closet. It's great for motorcycle riding. If you need the link for these in the description, post a comment. They're like $7 off Amazon. So yeah, awesome purchase. Fit right in there, great. And those things that I was wondering if you guys could guess. Well, you can't ride motorcycles without your protective safety gear. Yep, that just happened. It's okay to think differently. It's okay to be yourself. It's okay to have fun and build your bus to serve your purpose, man. I just want to get out there and ride. I got some more tricks coming up. Stay tuned, like, subscribe. In the next video, I will be turning this giant board that I made down to the edges and all that into a lagoon table right there. Hopefully it'll fit over the bed so you can have breakfast in bed. Cheers. Don't forget, like and subscribe.